Greetings everyone, my name is Bailey Peterson and I'm majoring in environmental science at Creighton University.
And my name is Maddy Torbenson, I'm majoring in biology at Creighton University.
And we're going to talk about ferns. Did you know that ferns survived the asteroid impact that wiped out the dinosaurs in the forest? Today we'll be discussing three major features of ancient ferns that allowed them to accomplish this feat. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, how on earth were ferns able to survive when many other species on Earth at the time went extinct? We're glad you asked. The first and arguably most important feature that allowed ferns to persevere was rhizomes. Rhizomes are underground stems, and they are different from roots. After the asteroid struck, it is likely there were firestorms on the surface of the Earth. Being situated underground protected the rhizomes from these harsh conditions. This gave ferns an advantage over their tree counterparts, which only had roots underground to rely on. Why is this so important? After the asteroid impact wiped out most life on Earth's surface, ferns were able to grow back from their underground stems to populate the surface once more. Trees, on the other hand, were unable to grow back from just their roots.
The second feature that enabled ferns to make a comeback was spores that were able to lie dormant for many years. Unlike many other plants, ferns don't require pollinators to reproduce. Instead, they release tiny spores the size of a single cell that can grow into new plants all by themselves. We know that the planet directly after the asteroid impact was a cold and unforgiving place, and that this environment continued for about a decade. So, the ability for spores to lie dormant for extended periods of time enabled them to survive and repopulate once the conditions were right.
The third major feature that allowed ferns to survive the asteroid is that ferns evolved to grow in diverse habitats. Ferns can grow in places ranging from deserts to the canopies of trees. This incredible hardiness comes from a variety of factors, including their ability to grow in shady areas, traits to prevent water loss, and a unique ability to grow on canopy species without harming them.
That concludes three of the major features of ferns that allowed them to survive. Their rhizomes, spores, and habitat diversity all allowed them to live through the mass extinction event that finished off the dinosaurs.
So, the next time you find yourself looking at the modern equivalent of ancient ferns, remember that this hardy plant family was able to outlive the dinosaurs and continues to thrive today.